tech lovers, Sia here on Mobile Munch. Today, we are diving into the world of the Nothing Phone 2 Plus, a smartphone that combines a unique design with powerful performance and a versatile camera system. Let's see if this phone lives up to the Nothing brand's reputation for innovation. Iconic design with a functional twist. The Nothing Phone 2 Plus 5G retains the iconic transparent design with its signature LED light strip on the back. These lights not only add a unique aesthetic but also serve practical purposes like notifications, charging status, and camera fill light. The phone comes in sleek black and grey color options. The device is IP54 rated for dust and water resistance, providing some protection against accidental spills. Immersive display with blazing fast refresh rate. The Nothing Phone 2 Plus features a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This display offers not only vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible contrast, but also a super responsive and fluid experience, perfect for gaming, watching videos, and scrolling through social media. With a peak brightness of 1300 nits, you'll enjoy clear visuals even outdoors on a bright sunny day. Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protects the display from scratches and minor bumps. Capable performance for everyday needs. The Nothing Phone 2 Plus is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7350 Pro processor, built on a 4nm process for improved efficiency. Paired with 8GB or 12GB of RAM, this combination should provide smooth performance for everyday tasks like browsing the web, social media, and using messaging apps. You can choose between 256GB of storage, ensuring you have enough space for your apps, photos, and videos. While it might not be the most powerful phone on the market, it offers enough processing muscle for most users. Versatile camera system captures stunning moments. The Nothing Phone 2 Plus boasts a dual camera system on the back. The main 50MP sensor with OIS and PDAF is designed to capture stunning photos and videos, especially in low light conditions. The 50MP ultrawide sensor lets you capture expansive landscapes and group shots. Features like LED flash, HDR, and panorama allow for creative photography. The phone can record videos in up to 4K resolution at 30 FPS. On the front, a 50MP selfie camera ensures you look your best in video calls and selfies. Both the main and selfie cameras can record videos in up to 4K resolution at 30 FPS. Designed for the modern user. The Nothing Phone 2 Plus boasts a sleek design with a combination of glass and plastic. A fingerprint sensor under the display provides convenient security access. While the phone lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack, it boasts stereo speakers for an immersive audio experience. The phone also supports 24-bit, 192kHz high-res wireless audio for high-quality audio playback. Long-lasting battery with fast charging. The Nothing Phone 2 Plus packs a 5000 mAh battery, promising long battery life on a single charge for most users. When you do need to top up, the phone supports 50W wired fast charging, which can reportedly get you to 50% in just 21 minutes and 100% in 56 minutes, perfect for those who are always on the go. Nothing Phone 2 Plus 5G unique blend of style and performance. With a starting price of around 25,999 rupees, the Nothing Phone 2 Plus offers a compelling package for users looking for a stylish phone with a unique design, a capable camera system, and a long-lasting battery. The phone boasts a beautiful AMOLED display with a high refresh rate, a powerful processor, and fast charging. While it misses out on a 3.5mm headphone jack, the overall feature set is impressive for the price. Looking for a phone with a unique design, a powerful processor, and a long-lasting battery? The Nothing Phone 2 Plus might be worth considering. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the Nothing Phone 2 Plus. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Mobile Munch for more tech reviews.